Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust date and time settings on Allview Smart TV. And to do this, first we'll need to click on menu button on our remote. It should be located right here. Then move to the right into the time settings. First option is a clock. You can click OK. That way we'll be able to adjust the day, month, year, and on the bottom we have hour and minutes. Now we can go back. There's also a time zone that you can switch between right here. Sleep timer, that means you can switch how long your TV will run until it shuts down automatically. Auto standby, that means also when okay, that was asleep, so your TV will just shut into a sleep mode. This will actually power off your TV after a certain amount of time. Next is OSD timer, and that will change how long the menu that we're in will display and shut down automatically. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.